Man, look at this day. It's a beautiful day here in northern Michigan. So we got another project on the Ford Super Duty today. And for those that you don't know, I got a 2017 F250 6.7 Power Stroke diesel. I've done quite a few things to it, but today we are going to put some new shocks on it. I've got just over 100,000 miles now, and it's time for shocks. So we'll unbox these, and what I've got is well, I'll do an unboxing and show you what we got. Okay, so let's get these open. So what I ordered was the new Bilstein shocks. These are the Bilstein. Where are they? These are the 5100s. And so we're going to put them on the Super Duty. I've got a 2.5 inch leveling lift on it, so you get a hold of Bilstein and call up what truck you got, and if you have a lift, they have the shock that compensates for it. So anyways, so here we go. So we got the shot. 2 front, 2 rear. Again, 5500. And these are some of the best shocks for replacement. So that's what we're going to install today. And here, let me open one of them up. We'll take a look at it. So it comes with the hardware kit, some instructions, sticker. I don't know if that's not for the side of it because it already got stickers on it. So, but anyways, comes with the boot. Yeah, it's gonna be nice. Yeah, the truck don't ride. You know, it rides good, but again, it's got 100,000 miles, so it's time. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna get her up in the air, and we'll get them changed out. You can see how what it takes to change out the shocks, the front and rear shocks on a Ford Super Duty. So that's what this video is about today. So we'll get her up in the air. The front tires are going to have to come off. The rear, so we can get to the shock. You can see it back in there. So anyways, you lift her up. We'll get the front wheels off. So they're back down on the safety stops. And the rear, we won't need to take the tires off because the shocks are from underneath. So, all right, let's get this front wheel off. All right, got a 22 millimeter. So, we got a bolt down here, and then the stud up here, and we'll change that out. Okay, so there's a nut up top here. You gotta hold it so it don't spin the rod with the shock. There. Nut washer, rubber. Okay. Now we'll take off this bottom one. Now the nut on this has got a keeper that keeps it from spinning. Just so you know, otherwise this is an 18, I believe. 18. Get that up. Anyways, there. There it is. See with the keeper. Set that back up there. Take these vice grips off. There. Get it out. Put the bottom washer on. Put this sleeve on. And this ice rubber with the cone on it. That goes over the spacer. The nut and the top washer. Then you have another isolator rubber. And you can see this has got a taper on it right here. That goes down because it'll eventually fit over that. Is what it does. So just kind of push it up in there, get it started. There. What you gotta do though is pull this rubber off, boot off of that, and then you'll have to grab onto this shaft because it'll spin when the lock nut gets down to it. It'll spin the rod. This collar spins Just have to gently grab it. Some vice grips, let it sit over there. And I believe yep, it's an 18. Also, this nut. All right. Straight back in the groove. Now, unfortunately, jack this. Yeah, probably should have put the bottom in first. Yeah, carefully do it. A little short. Okay, well, what you really want to do, put this bottom bolt in first, then put this. If you're doing it on the ground, you still have to jack it up just a little, get enough thread in there. Okay. There. Okay. There. There's the shock. That's mounted and all good. Right up there is the nut and a stud up there, and then here's a bolt here. Okay, there's that. Alright, we'll put this back on. Top here. Alright. Turn this down just a little. 2. Alright, I'm going to put a little anti-seize on this bolt. Wasn't too bad it's coming off this time, but let's get a little on them threads for next time. Oop. Okay, we'll cut the strap. Right down. Like so. Let's torque it here. Ready? Oh, wrong way. Click, 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 click. All right, good job. That'll work. All right. There's that. I'll do the other one and then we'll wrap it up. All right, everyone. Well, we've got these old shocks off. Got the new ones on. Let's see here. I think I got some light. There's that. And then the other rear one, everything went really good. Front's on. So, yeah, I hope this helps you if you're thinking about going to the Bilstein 5100s. Lots of good reviews. I know a few people that have gone to the Bilsteins on their Super Duties. My son's got a 1-ton 2020. And that's what he's got on his. So yeah, hope this helps you. I think you guys can do it if you like working on your vehicles. Do it. And anyways, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share, comment below. This video is helpful to you. And have a great day. God bless. Now, we got one of these stickers. Let's put one of these on the refrigerator. This one, whoop, whoop, whoop. We'll do it right over here. There, right there. Guess that's not very straight, but hey. Anyways, we've got a sticker on there now. All right. So, have a great day.